my good friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on my studio today, I want to show you how to change Facebook page name. Maybe you have 2 or 3 Facebook page name, or 1 and you want to change your name. I will just show you how to change your Facebook page name to the name that you want to change to. Now, remember, back some years, Facebook restricted changing Facebook name. Again, on year 2020, you could be able to change your Facebook name, but not through Facebook app or the Lite app. You can easily change your Facebook page name through the app. It is here now. When you open your Facebook account, you tap on those 3 horizontal lines, the small horizontal lines there. Then you tap again to open, to see your pages that you manage, that you've created. You can see these are all my pages that I have. These are all my pages. Now, remember, to change a Facebook page name, you must be the administrator. Now, I'll show you step by step how you can change your Facebook page name through Facebook app. You choose your Facebook page that you want to change your name. Now, I will change these Facebook page name. I just change it, the name, to the name that I want. So when you open the page, you just tap on edit page. Tap there. On the new page, again you tap on page info, where you can edit or add page contents, etc. You tap on it. Then, since you want to add a new name, this is the name of the page, you tap there. Then give the name of your choice that you want to appear as Gucema. YouTube. Then I click continue. You know that the name will not change directly, but you can see you are just pressing a request, this one. When the Facebook team reviews your request, the name will automatically change to the name that you've changed to. So you just tap on change request. You request change like that. You know that this is the feedback. The reviewing of the change name is taking place, and this may take 3 days, where you get an email confirming the approval of the change of the name. Now, you just tap on OK for the request to be processed. You wait for those 3 days. It may not take 3 days, it can take just few minutes to be paid. So you can see this is the request that I have pressed. Your request to change your page name has been approved. So it does not take those 3 days. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.